Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos as I upload my new videos on every Sunday. So do subscribe, you'll get something new to see every Sunday. So my today's video is on something really very interesting. Like I'll be showing you a raincoat which is very thin, very slim, and it is trending. Like I have seen many a times on Instagram and on Facebook and all other social media sites. So I'll show you that. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so I have seen some pictures like this on my social media, and I was very eager to try this. Like people say that it comes in a round ball, it is very slim, it is very thin, you can carry anywhere in your pocket also, and it is a raincoat. You can use this in a rain since it's monsoon, and in Mumbai you can see the rains. You may need it anytime, and to carry those big umbrellas and raincoat is very hectic. So for that I just ordered that, and I thought I'll try that. So I'll let you know. So it is this ball. It came in this ball. I was like very curious and very shocked to see that in this ball there's a raincoat. Seriously, see, the ball is so small, like smaller than my hand, I can say. It is something really very interesting. So I'll open this, and it comes in this way, and this is the raincoat. Yes. Where I'll open and show you guys. See how it is folded. The material is very thin, very thin. See, it is very transparent and it is very thin. See, it's very transparent. You can say that it is just like a plastic bag. You use normal plastic bags to bring those grocery and those things, and you get on those streets that plastic bag just with colored. It is very thin, very thin. It can be toned anytime, but it is a raincoat, so we can keep this for emergency purpose. Like something is better than nothing. So I'll try and show you guys. Like it can get torn anytime, but it will definitely protect you from rain. You won't get wet. So for emergency purpose, I'll definitely keep this in my back pocket or in my purse somewhere. But seriously, it looks something like this. It covers till my knee and my hands, and there's a cap also. See, so it will definitely protect you from rain, but it may get torn anytime. So that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you haven't clicked on that bell icon, so please do click on that bell icon so you get notified each time I upload a new video. That's it. Bye bye. See you